Hey guys, I'm Janelle. Welcome. You're here and I know what you're thinking. Why is the style called invisible locks when obviously it's a two-strand twist? And your question is valid. However, this style is meant to mimic someone with real locks who got a retwist and then went on to style it in the two-strand method. First, I part out a section and divide it into two. Here, I'm smoothing out and molding one section with braiding jam. Then I proceed to flat twist all the way down. You can clip away the hair or twist it around itself to prevent it from unraveling. We're going to do the same steps with the other section, then we'll proceed to rope twist. This look would be great for someone who wants to start their lock journey, but is a bit hesitant because of the commitment of having locks. With this style, you can get the look until you make up your mind, make that decision, get the look without the commitment. For the rope twist, you're going to twist the end of each section in the same direction before overlapping it and twisting down. Let's zoom out and try that again. Each section you're going to twist in one direction, the same direction. Whether it's the left or right, then you're going to overlap it and twist tightly down. For the females who want to try out the style, add the extension right at the end of the flat twist, twist down, and add hair as needed. Now that we've gotten the flow, I'm going to speed this up a bit. Stay, vibe out with me, watch me twist.
Think I'm crazy, but I know I am. Losing your patience, I already have. Don't try to change me, I'm just the way I am. Don't try to save me, cause I can't be saved. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm no good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends. Calling each other friends. Don't try to please me, not sure that you can. Don't get me started, babe, cause this is the end. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm no good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends. myself, but never alone.